Brittany and Parker here from Ride or Die.
Hello, and today we are at SeaWorld San Antonio.
Yeah.
Opening day for Tidal Surge.
Yes, it's a brand new Scream and Swing. If you've been following any of our SeaWorld videos for the last year, really, you've seen construction updates. We've been talking about the new ride coming, and it's finally here.
Yeah, the biggest of its kind. And
we'll
also walk around the park and see what else is new.
Yeah.
Let's go. So, back there are actually some new water slides, but that is for another time. It's too cold, basically. That's what it is. We're a couple months away from swimming in San Antonio.
It's not really cold today, but it's not swimming.
No. Also, speaking of future times at SeaWorld and videos, Seven Seas is right around the corner. It's our favorite time of year, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're excited to see what new stuff they have coming out, because every year they try to do something different.
It's been a while since we've been to SeaWorld San Antonio, actually. I think since probably Christmas time. So, was it Christmas the last time we were here?
I think so.
Yeah, so it's good to be back. Looks actually, the park's kind of busy.
Looks like a new sign for Ocean Discovery. Not sure if it's done anything different besides the new sign, but we'll check that out in a little bit just to see. But first, Tidal Surge. Here it goes. It's getting pretty high up there. You know, these are probably my favorite flat rides outside of a drop tower. And shout out to SeaWorld as a company for building these things again, because even though the industry, as enthusiasts, people love them, they kind of stopped building them for a few years. But it looks great next to the lake, and I can't wait to ride it, so let's head over there. All right. People are just getting off. And look, it's not too bad of a line. It's a big queue, though. Let's go. The tallest of its kind. I like how the queue is right in front of the swing. It kind of reminds me of Joker at Fiesta, Texas. You can feel the gust of wind. She's scared.
All clear? Starting iron.
Here we go.
Oh no! Oh
Nice. All right, excellent.
Let's go watch it.
Good stuff. How you doing?
Let's throw up.
Wow.
Please remain seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop. Once the ride is stopped, please unbuckle your seatbelt and pull your lap bar. Please exit quickly and safely. Don't forget to gather any items you may have placed in the bins. Thank you for riding Tidal Surge and enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld San Antonio.
So Brittany, what'd you think?
I feel very ill. I'm going to vomit. Halfway through, I literally was like, it's not my kind of ride.
No. But
I mean, the views were cool. Like, it wasn't scary actually at all. I was never scared the whole time.
You just gotta be okay with
riding
swinging,
it.
that's all.
I just like, oh, the nausea.
Just back and forth, that's all. But no, it's great. On the side of the lake, amazing. So we're making our way back to Beluga Stadium now, but we did want to point this out. This is next to Journey to Atlantis. Right on the other side of this fence, there's actually a slab on the ground already for whatever's going there. And there's actually been a lot of talk about this being something related to Howl-O-Scream, so maybe another haunted house.
So we're going to see Ocean Discovery. I see that they changed the backdrop up over here. More natural looking.
And joining us today, we have Bolt as well as Helen. Now, Pacific white-tailed dolphins are native to the North Pacific between California and Japan. But beachgoers won't often see this species because of their unique coloration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bolt. With that kind of speed and agility, it's no wonder they've earned the nickname the acrobats of the sea.
Making a loop. We saw the Beluga show. Look, they're setting up for Seven Seas. How fun.
Yeah.
There's Steel Eel.
Those dolphins are amazing.
I know, they're so cute too.
Yeah.
They're so small and sprightly. There's Wave Breaker too. It's a nice casual stroll around the park, you know?
All right, decided on actually doing Great White. Because I need something that's gonna like get my
Boost you up.
yeah get my blood rushing. Let's give the GoPro a shot.
Well, there's Parker in the front row on Great White. How was Great White?
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the OG for the coasters here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look around this shop because I spotted some cute stuff from back there. I want to see it. Look at this cute little cup. I love it, don't you?
I do. I can match my icon park.
Oh, that's right.
It's a good video. You should watch that video.
And I have this shirt down here. I like this blue one too. Same thing, just different color. And the pink. I really like this jacket. It's like a rain jacket. That's so cute. And also, always love tie-dye stuff.
I like that one at the bottom.
Me too. Yeah. Look at the cute Easter SeaWorld shirt. I love it.
Wow.
Oh, I have that one too. And also I'm wearing a SeaWorld shirt. I think I should leave now.
Okay. Gonna ride it one more time, but let's see what's over here.
Look, they've got a little Tidal brew.
Yeah, a little
Here
menu
set up.
here. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything.
Why don't they have like a Tidal Surge signature drink?
Oh no, you're right.
Come on, SeaWorld marketing.
We would be a sucker for that, wouldn't we?
Oh, I would get it even though I'd have no desire to have a drink right now.
Well, let's ride it one more time before we head out.
You ride it one more time.
Okay.
So I'm good. There's Parker. Uh-oh, they're telling him to take his glasses off. Ooh. Could really benefit from like a good light package. Be cool. Okay, so what was your night ride like?
It was really cool, and so I was facing the opposite direction that
you
time.
didn't face the lake this time.
Right, and it was really cool how it was all the way up, and you got like a straight down shot of the lake, and it looked pitch black.
Oh wow, scary.
Black lagoon. And so honestly, I think either way, I mean, the first, you want to try it on the
Facing
lake.
the lake, yeah.
But, you know, either way is a good ride. And the ride
Cool.
itself is amazing. I think, you know, of all the things they've done in the last few years, the Dolphins, Wave Breaker, this would be third for me. of those.
Stingray, Texas Stingray?
That would be fourth.
Oh, okay.
I would say that this is one of their better additions for
Yeah.
sure. And
Cool.
it looks great. I would say the green fence on the lake, maybe they should switch that color out.
Yeah.
Because the draw should be the ride,
Right.
not a fence.
Right.
But, you know, on this side, green is good.
Right,
I think it's
right,
fine.
right,
But
I
yeah,
see that.
on the other side of the lake, it looks a little weird.
Uh-huh.
But
They should also paint this fence.
yeah, that's too. But no, it was a great ride, and I can't wait to come here
Well, I mean,
over
I
and
did it
over.
earlier, and
You did it?
I liked
Yeah.
the ride. It just, these rides make me sick. That's it.
Right.
But it was a good ride.
Yeah.
But I was like, not again.
Right. No. She can do one time, and that's
Yeah,
pretty much
that's
her limit.
I would do once every
Yeah.
few visits.
Yeah, but that was
Tidal Surge.
Tidal Surge. There you go.
Come try it.
Another successful day. Keep an eye out for more SeaWorld San Antonio videos, including a video about these brand new slides.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe to Ride or Dine if you don't already. See you guys next time.